Hi, it's Kevin, and as you know, we've been really busy here at Jet Shades getting ready for the 2023 summer season. It's coming, and it's gonna be hot. With that, here's another sneak peek at a Legend Cub. What could Jet Shades do in a Legend Cub? Well, you're gonna be surprised. Now on the Legend Cub, sun coming in from the windshield, from above you, being onto your face while you fly, it's just downright painful, and it really doesn't make flying enjoyable when that sun's coming in and you're trying to fly this wonderful plane. So what we've done is we've created a windshield jet shade that stretches all the way up to back here to protect the pilot from the sun beaming in, the sun glare, and the solar energy. And it's more than just like a sun protector. The jet shade protects against 99.9% UV, and this thing will block about 76 to 80% of the actual BTUs coming into the through the window. So that means your flights are even going to be cooler, and you won't feel the heat on your face either. So let's take a peek inside this Legend Cub and see what a jet shade does to the windshield. So if you look through here, you see the nice bright blue sky. But if we pan up and look through the shade, you can see it's now a dark blue. Why? Because it's protecting from the solar energy and the solar glare, and of course the UV and the radiation. And it's actually quite cooler behind the shade. So how does this install? It takes a whopping 10 minutes, maybe 15. All you do is push it up to the shade, and we give you the hardware that you just attach, no screws, just dual lock will do it. We'll attach our fasteners to the column here, and it'll clip into place. Now, if you want to remove it, you can. It's pretty easy to do, but I promise you, you won't. As you put it up here, it slides up just behind the bar here, and it'll just secure into place. Like I said, it's about a 10 to 15 minute install, and you're done. The bottom line is we have this for the Legend Cub, and more of the other Cub series are coming. If you fly one, you're going to want the jet shade for the windshield on this Cub. And by the way, in the Legend Cub, if you're interested and you'd like to put a jet shade up here at your skylight to keep that heat from coming down, that goes all the way front to back. If you have the experimental version, it is possible. We can do that for you as well. Just contact us at Jet Shades.